Hi, let's get ready with me. Today I'm gonna going to the beach and my outfit for today. Oh, and I just wear my black t-shirt, like black tank top that I usually wear to the beach. So just look normal, and that's it. And I'm gonna put on my moisturizer on my lips. Lip eyes I just bought in the mart. I wear my mascara because I don't want to look sleepy because last night I sleep late. It's hell. Now I'm ready to go to the beach. Yay! Let's go. Okay, this one is in Uluwatu. And here I'm with my coffee. Let's go. Yay. Swimming in hot days really refreshing for me. And I like this quiet beach. This one is in Uluwatu. It's between Dreamland Beach and Bingin Beach. This one is my favorite. And I am here doing my tan for an hour at least. And pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.